Lovely spring day here in Toronto. We got lots of rain happening, which gets some things and rodents to move around a little bit more. So follow us today. We're going to do a little bit of a rodent inspection on some wildlife, seeing how things can get into a house. So here we got a siding gap on the side of the house. As we come down and look, we can get our hands up and in here, following everything up and around. Nice prime spot for animals to come in. And as you can see, so one common place that rodents can get into is through a wall vent. These flaps just pop up with their little nails, giving them clear access in. See, as you can see, they've got a guard here that's going to prevent stuff from coming in. As you can see, we're under a deck here. We can see some gaps with the beam going in. Someone's tried to put some spray foam there. It's not doing so well. And we've got an open pipe here out in the front.